In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Nissan Versa key fob. There are a couple different versions of this device. You can see I have the 4-button and the 5-button version. There's also a 3-button version as well. It does not matter which one you have. The process is going to be the same for all of them, so you can follow along with this video. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, a smaller sized one, about this size, and one CR2032 battery. If you want to get one of these online, go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. Now getting right into it, we're just going to flip the key over, hold down this switch on the back and pull out the internal key. Now looking down on the bottom of the device, you can see there is an opening in the plastic. I'm going to take our flathead screwdriver, one that fits into that space, and just push it down and twist just until you hear it click open. You can see that opening in the side, and then you just want to work your way down twisting. So put your flathead into that opening and just go down twisting until you can pull it apart easily with your fingers. I'm going to use the same flathead screwdriver just to come in on the side of the battery and try to get under it so that I can pry the battery up and it'll come out easily. Here it is, the CR2032. When you're putting your new battery in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just push it into place, positive side down, make sure that it's sitting flat in there. And now you can just click the two halves of the device back together. There you go, that's really all it takes. Just put your key back in there. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know about it down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.